What's going on, everyone? Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's see the daily chart. Let's see potentially where we're going. Are we going higher, or is this just a dead cat bounce before the next leg down? To me personally, it looks like a dead cat bounce before another leg down. I still think that we drop below 77K. I think it's closer into the low to mid 70s, maybe even high 60s, where we're gonna, kind of finish off. We've been just doing this kind of consolidation grind higher. Good thing for the bulls here is this is the first close over the 20 simple moving average. Now, this is a 20 SMA, the white line on the screen. This is the first close back above it, going all the way back here until January the 15th. We lost that level on February the 4th, and we've been just sliding down ever since. So could this be the start of something? Maybe. Typically what happens when you reclaim a level of supply, you kind of come back to that area and you back test. So if that's the case, you could see a back test into 82,000, 83,000, 84,000, consolidate, and then push higher. Now, if we break today's high price, we've got a lot of room to kind of continue to move higher. You can see some price action going back right here where we got rejected. Also was acting as a level of support here, a level of support here. So I can see us bouncing into the 90K range, into the 92K range. I can see that. I can definitely see how that might be the magnet before coming back down. Ultimately, what I would like to see to get extremely bullish on this market, as if we're going to make all-time highs, is a close over this area here, over this consolidation here. Okay, I want to get back up into this upper region. I do also want to keep something on the forefronts of your mind, is that if we do continue to kind of just trickle up this area and we get back over 100K, a lot of people are going to be screaming for amazing all-time highs at that level, which a lot of things can definitely pop. You can make a lot of money. But if we kind of come up into this area, 100,000 to around 100, and let's call it 5,000, that could potentially be setting up a head and shoulders, which would be telling you a lot lower prices if you start to break this neckline. So in that particular scenario, that would be a little bit of a bearish thing, and it's going to definitely trap a lot of people, because once we get back up here, a lot of people are going to think we're taking out 110 and going over 150, 200K, so forth and so forth. So just be mindful of that. But again, depending on if you've been dollar cost averaging down here in this range, especially on some of your altcoins or meme coins, and we do get this rally, if this rally is like another month, you can definitely make some money on those alts on the way up here. Just be mindful once we get back into this range, okay? As soon as we start to test, this high, and realistically use it as a range. As soon as we start to test the range, that's when you're going to want to, maybe trim down your position, take some profits if you do got some profits, and then kind of just leave some on the table. So that way, if we do break that downtrend that we're in, all-time highs are definitely near. I hope that makes sense. I hope you guys can take something off that. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. Just kind of, filling in and checking in here on what the price action has been doing. I think that the bounce continues as long as we stay over 84K. If we stay over 84K, I have full intentions of this trying to stretch to 90 to 93,000. And then from there, I'm going to reevaluate the situation once we get into this range. If we lose 84K, I'm calling for 77K and lower. So let's keep that on watch, and let's see exactly what pans out here. Again, I'm still super bullish, but the chart's got to show me something, and I'm a realist, so I'm only going to look at the facts. What's exactly happening right now? I'm not looking at what I want to happen. I'm not trying to, guess what this market's going to do. I'm looking at what we are doing. What we are doing is reclaiming supply. We do have resistance at 93, 94K. I've got support at 85 to 84K. I could see us riding into this area, or I can see us losing this support. If we lose the support, I'm targeting these prices down here. If we continue over today's highs, I'm targeting 93K. That's what I'm looking at. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.